There is nothing in the definition of free software that defines them as free of charge, so we can answer that. If most free software we know is free, it is only a repercussion, it's the way people have decided to deliver them. The four fundamental freedoms of the free software are the freedom to run it. So once received, we can run it. To do with it as we please, there are no limitations, neither for a specific purpose, nor in specific circumstances, or a specific country, so it can be run everywhere. We have the right to study how that software works, to look at the way it works, so this freedom is derived from the fact that we must obtain the software's definition, how it works, and so its sources, the original program that allows to build and creates a software that runs. So software has two formats, one source format and the executable format. This is the one with which we work as a user. The source format is the one that allows to modify how the program behaves and to create it. Those are the first two freedoms. After the freedom to modify, we have the freedom to redistribute the software. If you were given a software or if you were sold a free software, and you use it, then you have the source code, and you have the possibility to distribute it to whoever you want in any way you want. There are no limitations for distributing the software. You have the right to sell it. That's the third freedom. And the last freedom is the ability to modify it, upgrade it, transform it. So there's no limitation. We are totally free, so once you've upgraded it, you can distribute it again. I'll talk about commonly used software. Firefox, the web browser, is a free solution that also has the advantage to run on all platforms, so whatever computer you may have, you will be able to find a Firefox suited to your needs, so you only have to learn about one software, and whatever hardware you may buy later, you are guaranteed that you will be able to use that software. There are other softwares, to watch videos for example, VLC, which is a mainstream software for watching videos, also broadcast them, and even record them, so inside VLC, there's a lot of work done on video. LibreOffice is also a classic. It's an office software application that allows to perform the main office uses that we know, so word processing, spreadsheets, presentations. Software was originally more or less free. That's the very essence of software, to be able to be distributed, exchanged, etc. At one point in time, hardware parted, hardware providers parted from software providers. And with that came the need to protect, sell full-fledged software, and at that moment, people started to use commercial licenses, stating that software could not be used under every circumstances, restricting access to the source code, that modifying software was not authorized, that only the companies providing the software had the right to work on it. All those things came with the advent of great commercial software providers. Before that, it was much more hardware-related, so the creator of free software, of the free software's definition, that's Richard Stallman, an American researcher that belonged with an artificial intelligence MIT laboratory. He used software, and he decided to free as much software as he could. He defined the four freedoms and then funded a foundation, the Free Software Foundation, to defend those freedoms. Then he also defined the associated licenses to guarantee those freedoms would be maintained for software, and that it could no longer be lost. So yes, Stallman is the pillar of free software, the one who defined what they were. Around him, we will find people who worked on GNU. GNU is a free Unix at the time. When Unix was released, let's say between 71 and 80, a lot of proprietary Unix was released. So to get access to Unix for everybody, people had to develop free software for Unix. So that's where it started. So now we are on Linux, and Linux is the work that Linus Torvalds, a Finnish student, made to complete the GNU offer that did not provide the core, the part that enables to have Unix running on any hardware. So he completed the GNU offer, and so Linux took. Along the years, almost every space where there were proprietary Unix software and systems